如果大家有追開我嘅片，都知道我呢一條 B1 片啊，係拍嚟鼓勵好多冇信心考 B1 嘅朋友啦。都係嗰句，你英文好就唔好睇落去啦。就係因為我哋冇信心考試，我哋先要上網揾資源啫嘛。最近我哋教會平姨考完試啦，佢成功合格，我哋戥佢好開心啊！佢好想用佢嘅經歷鼓勵下各位長者啦，年紀比較大啦，可能以前讀書機會唔多嘅朋友，希望你哋都有信心考試。所以今日我就同大家分享佢嘅故事啦。溫一溫書先啦，佢都係考 Trinity 嘅 B1，所以亦都係5分鐘 topic task 同埋5分鐘 conversation task 嘅。等我訪問下平姨先啦。平姨啊，你今年幾多歲？同埋你係幾時嚟英國㗎
？I am 60 years old this year. I 2022 I start learning English.
咦，平姨，你今年1月考試啦，你舊年係幾時開始溫書㗎？
我今年6月，今年6月定7月，今年我7月咧係正式開始溫書，溫嗰個 B1。
哇，平姨，你用咗半年時間，你真係好堅毅啊！咁不如你盡量將你記得嘅考試內容或者考試流程啦，同我哋分享一下先啦，講下你用咗啲咩 topic 同埋考官點樣問啦，咁然後我哋再傾下你點樣練習啊。
咧一去到咧，佢就同我打招呼啦，話佢叫咩名，我話我叫咩名咧，跟住咧我唔知講咩啊，跟住咧個腦好似空白，突然間醒一醒，哎呀係喎，冇理佢咧。就講係啊，我 I have five topic， 即係我跟住咧我就話俾你知 ，I like cooking, I like reading, I like to exercise, and I like helping people. Also I talking about my job。跟住咧佢就話啦，talking you talking your job what will you be have been there a long time？ 我話I have job I have been time2 years old， 2 years over， 我就打個手勢話俾你知2年啦。跟住話do you like your job？ 我話yes I am very like my job because my co-work is good. Some a lot of local people and a lot of from another country like Poland and Hungary and India。跟住話international company yes。跟住話what are you doing？ 我 I am worker packing。跟住我話do you like cooking? What type you're cooking? I answer I like cooking Chinese simple Chinese food. I have local. I have some local friend. When I made homemade Chinese pancake and Chinese dumpling, they are very like. Okay, Chinese food is very delicious. Yes. Every time, what are you doing? I like reading. Like in UK, I saw like in UK a few times, and every day I reading my book, my Bible, because I am very like my Bible. Do you like do you fly airplane？ 佢話我唔知咩叫 fly 俾我望住話 I'm sorry pardon fly somewhere。I last year I have been Hungary. Hungary the country is very beautiful. Yes, nice。跟住咧佢又問我You like doing exercise? Do you know how? Do you like read bicycle? I like read bicycle. Last month is a Christmas holiday, and my factory closed, and my grandson school is closed. So I taught my grandson how to read bicycle. But my grandson is very clever. He learning is quickly. But another day, my grandson calling me, grandma, I like to ride bicycle. 跟住佢就話the time is 唔知個 time is 咩goodbye。跟住我 拜拜，跟住望下嗰個鐘咧，其實我又係等我出嚟咧，我覺得係8分鐘咯。我因為前面有個鐘噶嘛，我覺得係即係8分鐘咁多，跟住拜拜我就拜拜啦。
平姨真係多謝你啊！我知道咧，你對英文都冇乜信心，但係你為咗鼓勵其他都係咁冇信心嘅即係香港朋友咧，特登將你嘅説話盡量用英文錄低，非常之感激你嘅幫手啊！你仲有冇記得任何考試嘅細節？最後想話俾我哋知咧？
仲有一句咧，嗰個 examiner 咧，ask me how do you come here? I answer I come in friend's car. Okay. Yes, I forgot this one. Yeah, this one have.
平姨嘅結果咧係證實咗努力係有回報㗎，佢第2日就已經收到佢合格啦。如果大家睇翻咧，佢而家呢個 results 咧就係 BC 啦 ，pass with merit， 其實都相當唔錯。Examiner 咧只係扣咗佢少少溝通技巧，佢啲 grammar 當然有錯啦，但係唔係錯得好離譜，所以都冇問題。之後咧，我又問平姨，其實佢係點樣溫習，有冇秘訣嘅咧？咁因為平姨嘅分享裏邊咧有好多佢嘅個人資訊啦，咁我避開晒，我總結一下啦。平姨咧佢係有一位教會嘅弟兄姊妹陪佢一齊溫習，成日都問佢問題，幫佢手整理講稿噶，自己一定寫唔出㗎啦，都係要喺教會揾一啲啦，或者揾一啲朋友，或者揾一啲仔女啦，英文好啲幫你撰寫講稿。咁佢寫嘅時候咧，佢嘅做法就係咁㗎啦。因為長者嘅應變力真係冇我哋咁強㗎，佢變通啦、創造能力啦都冇咁厲害，所以佢哋係需要咧預先熟習嗰啲問題，要幫佢哋諗大量相關嘅問題。但係咧長者記憶力有限，你每一個問題唔可以好似我哋成年人或者我哋英文可能好少少嘅人啦，咁我哋就能夠可能背5、6句，背一大段，到時睇下佢問咩，我抽嚟用啦，唔得嘅。長者就係要最簡單嘅答案，2句、1句，然後咧。仲要裏邊嘅話題一定要係自己極度熟悉，長者佢哋係創作唔到㗎，你唔可以佢講啲佢生活裏邊冇嘅嘢㗎，所以一定要用翻佢嘅生活嗰啲嘢咧，起碼佢中文知係咩，只不過係記少少英文生字，嗰啲生字仲要係重複有出現最簡單嘅生字，咁佢哋先有機會記得到㗎。大家可以睇下咧，平姐呢幾份佢預備嘅筆記裏邊其中一啲部分啦。你見到咧，重複嘅字眼係好多好多㗎。咁平姐咧係返開教會好虔誠嘅基督徒啦，咁所以佢喺佢嘅講稿裏邊講好多 church music 啦、into church 啦或者 Bible 啦，咁呢啲係佢比較有信心同埋熟悉嘅字眼。咁呢度咧全部都係用重複嘅字去做一啲嘅問答嘅。咁呢啲係長者預備 B1 嘅時候咧嘅一個基本嘅準則嚟㗎。平姨佢考完試之後咧，第一句就係感謝耶穌基督啦，第2句就係感謝佢身邊幫過佢嘅朋友。如果而家你正經歷平姨嘅處境，覺得自己英文真係好弱，希望平姨嘅例子咧可以鼓勵你。我哋就相信世上無難事，我哋做過有心人咯，堅持落去一定得㗎。如果你係行有餘力，不如鼓勵下身邊嘅朋友，幫一幫佢哋，等大家都輕鬆地一齊捱過呢一關啦。